Welcome to our channel. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2016 introduced several significant changes to the criminal justice system in Pakistan, particularly concerning sexual violence. Key points include 1. Enhanced definitions and penalties. Expanded definitions. The Act provides broader definitions of sexual offences, including harassment, stalking, and acid attacks. Stricter penalties. It introduces more severe punishments for rape, including life imprisonment and the possibility of the death penalty in aggravated cases. 2. Revised provisions for rape. Increased sentences. The minimum sentence for rape was raised to 10 years, with the possibility of life imprisonment for aggravated cases. Removal of marital rape exception. The Act modified certain provisions related to marital rape, although marital rape is still not explicitly criminalized. 3. Specialized courts. Establishment of specialized courts. The Act mandates the establishment of special courts to handle rape and sexual violence cases, aiming for faster and more efficient trials. 4. Protection and support for victims. Victim protection. The Act includes measures for the protection of victims and witnesses, including privacy safeguards during trials and investigations. Compensation. Provisions for compensating victims and supporting their rehabilitation were introduced. 5. Improved investigation procedures. Sexual assault response teams. The Act calls for the formation of specialized teams to handle cases of sexual violence and ensure proper medical and psychological support for victims. 6. Amendments to evidence and procedure. Forensic and medical evidence. The Act places greater emphasis on the collection and use of forensic evidence in sexual violence cases. Victim testimony. Changes were made to allow for more sensitive handling of victim testimonies in court. These amendments aim to address the shortcomings of previous laws, enhance the protection of victims, and ensure a more effective legal response to sexual violence in Pakistan. Get more information from the following links and videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.